Wax on, wax off. What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I detail a boat from top to bottom. Today we'll probably be here for 2 to 3 days. We'll go step by step. Follow along. Let's do it. Wax out, wax out. All right, wax slingers. I just got everything out of the boat. I'm going to show you how dirty it is first. The lift doesn't have power at the moment. So you gotta do stuff like this. It's not too bad though. Alright, look at that. Clogging up the drain already, so that's no good. Ew, bugs coming out of it. That's definitely no good. Has some wear and tear. Customer just got this boat. He's having it down at Key West, and he brought it up here to get a good cleaning. I thought this was kind of nice. Drawers and all that good stuff. Not too bad. Chrome's not too bad. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Yikes. This is battery box. Don't want to spray too much water there. Get it figured out. Up here. And this boat moves, man. This thing's non-stop going all over the place. Nice. Oh. was able to use this. I just wanted to give you a quick look. I'm going to show you two-step process. We're going to use cut, captain's cut, and captain's polish. All right, enjoy. Boom, cut is done. Used the captain's cut, got it nice and shiny. Look at that. Oh yeah, it was super dull, man. Unbelievable. Captain's cut, we got it cut. So then now, I used a rotary with a wool pad to cut it. Now I'm using a dual action with the Rupes yellow pad for anyone that would care to know. And my neck is getting burnt like hell, so that's why we got this little beautiful scarf going on. All right, here we go. Let's get this thing done. Give you a little point of the view. Oh yeah, look at that. You can't complain too much when you're looking at that all day. Well, when you're looking at this all day, you can't. I try to bring humor to it. I don't know if it works. Boom, just like that. Polished and sealed with the captain. Check that out. Look at that. That even gave it like just another layer of glare. Look at it. Oh wow. Super happy. I'm sure the customer will be too. I still have to do the front, but we'll get it figured out. Just wanted to show you. Look at that. Oh goodness. Perfection. What's up? So now that we got all the outside cut, polished, and sealed, now I want to give you a little peek of what I do on the inside. Here's the inside middle hull. You can kind of see how flat it is. Super flat. And then I'm gonna do this side too. You get a little tiny shine there, but it's pretty dull. But yeah. Alright, let's get started. Tight spots, man. And this stuff will tear up your kneecaps. So, you know, you gotta have the knee pads. Okay, we are done. Finally, 3 days, 2.5 really, and we're all done. Give you a quick walk around. Everything nice shine. That's a little dirty from the compound, but we'll clean that up before we go. Everything nice and clean. All the cabinets, let me see. I know there's a certain way of doing it. Oh yeah. Not dirty no more. Everything nice and clean. Put all their stuff back where it belongs. Nice and polished, shining, looking good. Polished the steering wheel. Finish everything up with the Captain Polish and the Jax Wax Graphene Detailer, just to get everything protected. Keep it lasting long. Oh yeah. Remember that dirty thing? Yuck. So nasty. All clean now, baby. Batteries. All right, well, until next time, folks.